Pressure washer that's bucket fed. Can it be done? I'm Landon with Aqualux Auto Detailing. I'm here to show you a new pressure washer on Amazon that I fell in love with. So here we go. There's no hose hooked up and we're going to put it to the test. Alright, so what do we have here? We have a pressure washer. It's from WestForce. WestForce. It is boasting numbers 1.85 GPM. It is TSS, that's a big win for me. And then it's 17.6 pounds, $136 on Amazon. Comes with a 2-year standard warranty, date of purchase. You get the gun issued, I put quick connects on, and you get 3.0 orifices. They come with these orifices. They're very nice. They actually have them on the nozzles that it's actually a 3.0. If any of y'all didn't know this, the back number right there is the orifice size. So they're 3.0 orifices. I'm going to set these down. Thank you to my beautiful wife for recording me today, because I've tried this 6 times and I have failed miserably. So just shows you she's my best friend and helper, and I can't do anything without her. And I wanted to give y'all a big thank you. Got some new t-shirts in today, and wouldn't have made it happen if y'all hadn't asked. They have the American flag on the left shoulder, and they have the Texas flag on the right shoulder. Just got them in. I've had some requests for some more, so if y'all are interested, let me know, and we can place another group order. So anyways, we're gonna get back to the pressure washer. I still have not hooked it up to the hose. I wanna show y'all really quick. We have 2 ounces of DPC foam in our MATC version 2. Excuse the dogs. We're gonna do this from the bucket to the paint, and then we're gonna rinse off. I'm gonna show you all the rinsing power, so here we go. 3, 2, 1. That is some serious foam. Mind you, we're doing this all from the bucket being fed. It is 14.5 amps, and I have it purposely connected to a 15 amp circuit or plug-in, whatever. I'm not an electrician, so make fun of me if you want to on that one, all right? We're gonna do the rinse off, but you can see the foam it created. It's beautiful. That was a 1.1 millimeter orifice, yes, but the flow on the GPM is where this thing has its, where it's gonna be like the money for me, and the TSS. So here we go. I'm repeating myself, and I'm gonna hush up and rinse. There we go. 3, 2. All right. Got a lot of soap on this thing. All right, I'm gonna stop being loud. So, why do I love it? It's $136 on Amazon. You can get it 2 days shipping free. That's the cool thing. It's TSS, so total start stop. So that's from the time you squeeze the trigger and release it, that engine's doing the work. You can bucket feed it. If it needs to be hose fed, we can do that. But look, I have only used, we're right at 2 gallons. I've used 3 gallons on this paint, and that's it. I probably could have been around the car twice. The awesome thing about this is you can put distilled water in here and get you a very nice rinse and not have to worry about water spotting. So you got your 2-year warranty, 136 bucks. You get this standard. You can hook up any other type of fancy hoses you want to. By all means, knock yourself out. It has a 200 milliliter solution tank in the back, and that's not a lot, but hey, it works. And then you got your little handle, you know, if you want to tote it around. So 1.85 GPM. I want to say the PSI is probably hanging around 1400, so right on the money where we need it. I hope y'all like it. I'm going to be reviewing another one soon, but this one is probably taking the top of the list next to the Greenworks now, just because of the flow. So I absolutely love this thing. It's by WestForce. I'm going to bring it around real quick and show you all this thing. And there you go. So my fat finger's in the way. So there it is, WestForce, okay? I'll put the link in the description, and I hope y'all have a wonderful evening. I love y'all. Thank you for the support. Y'all have a great night. Bye.